Welcome to Pocket GlowUp, the series where I take your designs and give them a wee makeover, showing you exactly what I tweak and why. It's not about being fancy, it's about helping your design make sense at a glance and actually look good while it's at it. This week I'm taking a real graphic submitted by one of you lovely lot and showing you exactly what I tweak, why it matters and how you can do the same. The main issue with this design is everything's centred, it's a bit boring, it's a bit safe, and there's some wee tweaks I'd love to make with the title where the spacing is just a bit far apart, and the image behind the back as well is just again very safe and just not very noticeable. You would scroll on by. Now you can see the main changes I've made here is I have switched out the background image and made it something much more relevant to the actual text on the page rather than just a standard electrician image. I've also changed the font. This one's much more impactful. It's got that rough and ready edge to it, much more linked with construction and the electrical trade. I've removed the logo and just actually kept the emblem part because we don't need the full logo on everything. And I've also split the text carousel into 2 pages rather than just the one. And lastly, I've darkened the background just so the white text stands out even more. So instead of trying to cram all the text onto just the one graphic in one pager, I've changed this into a 2-page carousel, and it gives everything much more room to breathe. Then actually people take more notice of it. Sometimes if there's too much text on a page, it feels like too much of an effort and people just scroll on by. So by splitting this over a 2-page carousel, you have more chances of being seen, the text is a lot clearer, and there's room to have a little bit of white space. And lastly, pop the logo back in the bottom of the second page because again, your logo can just be tucked in a little corner somewhere. Got a design you'd like me to look at and submit one of your own designs? The link in the usual place. It might just end up in a future Pocket GlowUp. Pocket GlowUp's dropped every Tuesday, so follow along. It saves us one if it's helpful and keep your eyes peeled. Your design could be next.